This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Eddie Grabovats. This stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a split floor plan, solar panels, and a prime location offers thoughtfully designed living space for privacy and comfort. As you enter, you'll notice the spacious dining and living room combo with 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and laundry area to the left, and the kitchen and master suite to the right. The primary bedroom boasts 2 built-in closets and an updated ensuite bathroom, creating a peaceful retreat. The kitchen, the heart of the home, features beautiful wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and ample storage space. Step outside to the 20x23 screened-in patio, ideal for year-round enjoyment. The large backyard provides plenty of room for outdoor living, including space for a fire pit, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the beautiful Florida weather. This home is energy efficient with solar panels and offers the added security of a roof replaced in 2016, water heater 2024, and air conditioner 2018. The beautifully landscaped property also includes a 2-car garage for convenient parking and storage. Located near the Veterans Expressway, this home provides easy access to major routes and close to Hutchison Park, perfect for outdoor recreation. For more information,